Hello, welcome to another session of a lecture on the embryology of the gastrointestinal tract or the digestive system. My name is Dr. Eric Edu. I'm in the Department of Anatomy and Cell Biology, the School of Medical Sciences, University of Cape Coast. Be my guest. So as part of introduction, you look at how the gut is closed by the 4th week. And this is done at the cranial end by the oropharyngeal membrane. And then at the caudal end, you have the cloacal membrane. Now, you appreciate the functions of these membranes as we go on, especially the cloacal membrane and the cloaca as a region when we look at the anorectal anomalies as we go along. So this is what we are describing: oropharyngeal membrane at the cranial portion, and then you have the cloacal membrane at the caudal end. Now, you should also appreciate the fact that we are looking at the endodermal portion of the trilaminar disc, okay? So the GIT is endodermal in nature. So we are looking at the space encompassed by the yellow line, okay? So the lumen plus the membrane that is forming the outline of the lumen. That is what is forming the entire GIT. Now, you will realize that something is ongoing here in this section of D, where the yolk sac is becoming indented more than in C, okay? So there's body folding going on, okay? So both the lateral folding and caudal folding cause the introduction of structures into the body, okay, which were hitherto lateral, will now be incorporated into the body. So the body foldings continue, and you realize that at a point, the yolk sac is actually caught up within the abdominal cavity, okay? So the cephalocaudal folding is also ongoing, and therefore, eventually, these arrows that are heading towards each other will meet, okay, and therefore form a complete membrane, all right? So you realize that this membrane, deep to it, will be a cavity, okay, or a coelom. Then you also have another cavity here within this red line, okay? That's another coelom there, a cavity. Then within the yellow area too, you have another cavity. Okay, so all these will play roles in the development of the organism.